What is going on, guys? Sasha here from Sasha Tech, and right now there's no way I'm gonna be able to fit everything I'm gonna do today on the table, so I'm just gonna walk around with the camera. So today we are going to be unboxing the Polk T50 tower speakers, which is part of the ultimate smart home theater system. So let's take a look. Now, I've got them sitting right here. They actually came in the mail, which was really surprising because they just left it on my doorstep and no one actually took it. So, these are by Polk, the T50 Colin, which is probably French. It's French for tower speaker. I mean, it's probably just French for tower. But it's a tower speaker with a furniture-grade black oak finish and more. Which is great. And we have two of them. So I guess we're doing a give. No, I'm not doing a giveaway. We have two of them, and I'm not doing a giveaway. So I guess we just unbox both of them with our Apple knife. If I can focus on that real quick, because this is really important. Like this. All right. Alright, yeah, this is working. No, it's not. Yeah. Then we can okay, so as I open this, we are immediately greeted with the Polk papers stuff with the T-series manual, which also came, this stuff also came with the bookshelf speakers, which are the T15, I guess, I think, but so I just opened the speaker upside down. So this is the speaker itself. Here we have the little sticker that says T50 on it. Works with Atmos, which is exactly what we're looking for. That's pretty much it. Let's take a look at the front. So it has a little tweeter here, and then it has 4 6-inch mid-range speakers, or low-range speakers, or whatever that is. The bottom is just pretty cool, and then back here are just the speaker terminals. So I'm gonna open this up, connect them to the receiver, and I'll show you guys some more. Alright, so I cut out some stupidly short stuff for some stupid reason, but that's not of importance because I'm just gonna put this stuff like this so that you can hear it. Now, if you go around to the back, these are your speaker terminals. So I'm gonna take some of this speaker cable. I'm just gonna screw this up a bit so that it'll fit in. And then I'll take the black cable and put it into the black side. I screw that down. And then I'll take the red speaker cable and screw it into the red terminal. Sorry if I blocked you there. But there we go. And I put this into the receiver. Okay, so everything is hooked up now into the receiver, and I also connected my phone to it. Now I don't really think that showing you guys music will do any good, because who knows, my mic sucks. Your speakers might suck too. No offense, but here's a little 2-second thing. Alright guys, quick update. I listened to some copyrighted music, and the bass definitely sounded amazing, but it wasn't all the way there. Now when I cranked up the volume all the way, the volume, I mean, the clarity was gone. Like I couldn't hear everything properly. There was a lot of fuzzing, like a normal, like many other cheap speakers when they get maxed out, but we're definitely not maxing out this one. But that's great. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I told you how the unboxing experience is. I told you a little bit about the thing. I would definitely recommend getting a separate subwoofer, even though these 6-inch mid-ranges don't really do anything. The tweeters, you can't really crank them all the way up, but that's fine, because I don't really care about cranking it all the way up, but definitely some really good quality speakers, and for the price, I picked these up for like $60 each on Black Friday. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, you know what to do. But if you really want to know what I'm going to do next for this ultimate smart home theater, I also definitely got the center channel speaker for this setup. I already have the rear channel speakers, and I have two Atmos speakers coming up soon. So if you're really happy for those videos, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you haven't done it already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.